Okay, hi. So, everybody knows how much I love the word spatchcock. So I'm gonna spatchcock a chicken for you. I'm doing videos now. Anyway, okay, so we have chicken. You need a chicken. And I have a good knife, a shears, a kitchen shears, and I have this, which my mother used to lovingly call her chun knife. Don't ask me why, it's just the cleaver. Great old Harrer family joke. I may or may not use this. Okay, so here we go. What you want to do here is we're going to remove the backbone from the chicken. So I'm going to start with the scissors. You just sort of cut around the backbone of the chicken. It should be relatively easy. That was very easy. All right. And then I will do the other part. Just cut right through there. I don't think I use the chun knife today at all. Oh, maybe I will. I don't know. No, let's go through. You cut right through the ribs there, and you just take the backbone out. I'm going to save the backbone to make stock when I have some extra things to make stock. Okay, my chicken has been washed, by the way. Now what you do is you take the chicken that you've just taken the backbone out, you put it down like this, and essentially what you're going to do is you're going to flatten it out like that. Ooh, not doing too well here. So that it lies flat, and you basically are breaking the bone there. So now it's ready to be put in the pan. Let me wash my hands quick, because it's chicken. And what I'm going to do here is get my roasting pan that I have. I have a really lovely, this is going to be loud. Okay, that was, as promised, that was loud. I have a really great all-clad roasting pan. So what I've made today is some wild rice mixture, which is basically Uncle Ben's with some other stuff in it, like celery and, etc. Celery, onion, and some canned mushrooms. If the chicken had giblets, the giblets would also be in there. So I'm just going to throw this in the bottom of the pan. Okay, spread it out a little bit. You can't really see that. Well, you kind of can. Take the spatchcocked chicken. Love that word. I'm just going to lay it gently across the top. And what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to do this all on camera, but I'm going to salt and pepper it. Little olive oil, salt and pepper. Penzeys Sunny Paris seasoning, best thing ever. And some of my fresh rosemary that I have kept, and we have brought it in from the yard, and we have it in a pot, and we're growing it for the winter time. And I'm just going to roast it at maybe 325, 350, I really don't know, whatever, until it's done. I know that's so specific, really helpful. Anyway, there's your spatchcocked chicken, ready to be seasoned and roasted. Enjoy!